Hey everyone, kia ora. It's me, Mel the Kiwi. Hey, yeah, I'm out this. We've got a long weekend. It's Matariki, which is the Māori New Year. It's a time for remembering the past and looking forward to the future. So that's what I'm doing. Looking forward to the future. So I'm out with the Legend and my settings are really extraordinary, so I'll be around. M2, full sensitivity, custom mode, volume 1, speed 5, that 11 and 6 tone, and that's it. No bottle cap discrimination, nothing. What's the 10 cents. Sweet. And then you see that shiny, looks brand new. Yeah. Ooh, $1. Jeez. Sweet. So I was just here and now I'm here and there. Sweet. Getting close to, no, not even close to a coffee. No, actually, there's something else in here. No. I don't know, it's probably rubbish. Ooh. Look at that. Does that count as a coin spot? Okay, just here, and there, and now here. Yeah. So. Nope. And there it is. So that's 5. Yeah. Let's rank up as a 25. That's right here. It's a bracket. Or oh yeah, there you go. Whatever. Let's rank up as a 29. It's a lid. Yeah. Another shallow 42, 41. And just in here, I think I have enough to buy the other half a coffee. Yay, another $2. Look at this. Just had to, didn't I? There we go. Rubbish! But what I got out was this. It's a piece of lead, folded lead. Yeah, so nice. Oh, red paint. So let's play a game of let's guess what this is. Rank up in the 40s. Me thinking it's a can or a bottle cap. I have great faith. So yeah. Okay. So yeah, that took a while. But there it is. Can you see it? right here. That's $1. Sweet. Alright, looks like someone's been here before. And ooh, I'm not going to say nice work. Fucking tidying your holes up. And also down here. This is a great way of getting this hobby banned by the local council. Okay, I have permission, and I think I'm the only one who's been granted permission for all council properties, parks. So yeah, not nice people. I will tidy this up. And and we have another one. Well, I hope it was worth it. Alright. Oh, bugger. Well, hopefully this helps. And over here, because you can only do so much. It's like here. Alright, it's better than it was. Remember, people, leave the ground as you found it, and near enough to it. You don't want the grass dying. Yeah. Whew. This next one ran from 60 down to 35. So it's a wire, whatever. It's going to be whatever it is going to be. And it's another $2. Oh, that's awesome. I'll check if there's anything else in this hole. No, I don't understand why that rang up so weird like. Yo. So this next hole rang up as a 53. Let's see, we've got red brick in it. Yeah, some glass, some bloody big stones. So it's in here somewhere, so let's have a look. Oh, it's a ring thing. Yeah, nice. Yep, that's it. Just a sleevey thing. And whatever that is.